Okay guys, welcome to our, we've been waiting to do this, our Talking Rain flavor test trial to come up with the new sparkling ice flavor drink for Talking Rain. Alright, in front of you, you have a grid that you're going to coordinate flavors, and I want to explain how we're going to do that. On the bottom is the legend. In order to, because some of the words were so big, I put like W for watermelon, L for lemon, P for peach. PR stands for pear, and so on and so on. The coconut and the vanilla are extracts. I'm not sure if vanilla will go with anything, but we'll see. So what you do when we go to try the first flavor, everybody will mark it the same. So if we do watermelon, we'll do a W here and a W here. That way, when we taste the watermelon, this will mean I've tasted watermelon, watermelon. So it's straight up here. So everybody see how that works?
L, P, PR. I don't think she needs you anymore.
Okay, so everybody understands how we grid the flavors, correct? Mm-hmm. On your grid, you're going to mark whether you liked it or not. So say this is the watermelon, and here's your watermelon. Okay, you'll give it a 1 that it was okay, a 2 that it was good, a 3 that it was exceptional. Everybody clear on that? So it's 1, 2, or 3. This is okay, this is good, this is yay, exceptional, love it. Now remember what we said, when we're all done, we're not going to announce the winner yet. Remember how we talked about that? Talking Rain is going to have to wait for the commercial. What do you think of the pink grapefruit?
Ooh, I see lots of thumbs up.
Lots of thumbs up? That's good. Yum.
I don't even like grapefruit.
This is orange mango.
Oh, you can hold your cup.
I love orange.
Watermelon. Please, sweetener.
So David, what do you think about
Good. Ready, ma'am? Go for it.
I don't think that's going to be enough for all.
Well, we can add more if it needs enough. And
Should be the first one to find it. Watermelon to watermelon. Alright.
Very refreshing. Yeah.
But that's how all the drinks are.
I was drinking on like a really hot summer day.
What do you boys think?
It's amazing!
guys, what we
Oh, we got some good votes here.
You're mostly negative sometimes.
Do you like it?
That is a 3. That is a 3. Watermelon. Watermelon.
I think it's good. It's like
a 2.
It's good, but it's not 3 good. It's like 2 good.
Okay.
Like
It's straight grape.
It's very sweet, isn't it?
Now, what we're going to do with the rest of the grapes, we're going to add some apple and see what white grape and apple taste.
Yeah, I'm not going to do it.
You don't like it? What do you think of it?
It's like just liquid applesauce.
It's okay.
Not my favorite.
Your idea, wasn't it?
Yeah, this deserves a
Good idea, I guess.
Oh
yeah!
This deserves a 1, yes.
Because they're supposed to be tiny.
That's terrible.
My favorite. I like pear. This is like pear. This is good. It's chunky. I like pear.
Where are you going to mark it?
Right here where banana is, and this is where banana is.
Find the other banana. Good.
I know.
Alright, cool.
I love it.
Let's see.
It's not fizzy enough.
I gave it a 1. I gave it a wicked 3. Yes.
Is it good?
That's a bad apple. So bad. It's not actually that bad.
What do you think of it?
I know, you're going to just put a
this.
in the middle.
Okay, I need more. That's the color.
I don't think we tried it. What do you think of it? One. Action.
Welcome all fruit fans to the first annual Talking Rain pageant. I'm MC Ice. Talking Rain is a sparkling ice drink made with naturally flavored mountain spring water. Did I mention 0 calories?
Hey, he's reading from the bottle. Any coconut nut can do that.
Let's meet our wonderful judges. Judge Droplets.
It's going to be an aquatic afternoon.
Judge Grit.
It's going to be a wet and wild pageant.
And Judge Drizzle.
It's going to be a dairy afternoon. My brother was going on a lemon ice stand.
Let's introduce our fabulous fruits. Meet wonderful watermelon. I'm seedless and I know it. Contestant number 2, magnificent mango. I'm the chocolate fever.
Wow, now that's something really fruity.
I'd like to introduce you to beautiful blueberry. I'm very, very beautiful. And our final contestant. Final contestant? 6-pack strawberry.
I got these and some punch and grapes. I like to give him a fruit punch. Not the face.
The judges are bananas for letting him in.
We heard that.
I'm just too sweet. I don't have a rhyme to ask. Which one of us ladies will win?
May the best man win. I wish I was sold at lemon ice stand. Set aside the bitter feelings. It's okay, we're all sour once in a while.
Let's put the flavor back in this pageant. Judges, the winner will stem from your decision. Are you ready?
Yep. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Then who will the new Talking Rain Sparkling Ice be? It's just me. I just can feel the juicy goodness. Magnificent Mango, do you want to 10-0 with me? Hold it, ladies and gentlemen. It looks like I just had an appeal handed to me.
Wah, wah, wah.
Oh, wait a second. A last-minute entry?
I mean, that's a pulp not done it. I'm back and zestier than ever. Hey, you got your strawberry on my lemon.
You got your lemon on my strawberry.
Stop the rat. Stand up, you know. Stop the fruit presses.
Blend.
Sweet. You better hurry up or the fruits will be right to the car. But
And the new Talking Rain Sparkling Ices. We have a tie. Strawberry lemonade. I sure got a lick out of this pageant.
yeah, it was the pits.
Orange glass over.
Avocado now.